Hey everyone, we all seen wind turbines in our life. A wind turbine is used to convert the kinetic energy of wind into electrical energy. A wind turbine turns wind energy into electricity by using the aerodynamic force from the rotor blades, which work like an aeroplane wing or a helicopter rotor blade. But have you ever looked at the wind turbine and wondered why almost all of them have three blades? This is the fascinating question, right? The reason behind this is design choice that combines engineering principles, efficiency, or cost effectiveness. Let's see. The main reason wind turbines have three blades is due to aerodynamics. Three blades provide a balance between efficiency and stability. They capture wind energy effectively while maintaining a smooth and stable rotation of blades. With the three blades, the rotor is aerodynamically balanced, which minimizes vibrations and noise. Early traditional wind turbines had different number of blades, but the three-blade designs consistently performed the best in terms of efficiency, durability, and noise reduction. The majority of the world's wind turbines have three blades because they are more balanced. If we use single-blade wind turbine, a single-blade wind turbine would need a counterbalance and therefore be impractical and inefficient, and it isn't balanced on the rotor as it spins. Why using two-blade wind turbines suffer from a phenomenon called gyroscopic precession, which could cause wobbling, especially as it turns to face the wind that will cause wear and tear, impacting wind farm durability and even safety. Typically using three-blade turbines is best when considering number of factors. The three-blade turbines ensure mechanical balance, the rotor experiences less mechanical stress and torque fluctuation compared to the rotor, while adding more number of blades increases the cost and complexity of wind turbine and the cost of transportation. Each additional blade adds the amount of weight and requires stronger, more expensive materials to maintain the structure of wind turbine. The three-blade design became popular throughout the years of experimentation, design and development of wind turbines. Wind turbines have three blades because it offers the best balance of aerodynamics, efficiency, mechanical balance, durability, noise reduction, and cost effectiveness. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video and found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments below, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.